Hello guys, this is Parvez. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ishan Media. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your IMO ringtone from your own cell phone. I kindly request you guys, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button for latest videos. Let's start. First of all, open the IMO software. Then click your website plus, after that more, then settings, notification, call settings, notification tones. You have to select it. Then you can choose your ringtone whatever you like. I'll just show you one thing only. Okay, I changed this one. Okay, my default ringtone was this one. Okay, so you can change whatever you like. As you like, you can change it. So I just change it and okay. Already changed. Again friends, click the plus, after that more, settings, notifications, call settings, notification tones. That's it, very easy to use. Okay guys, thank you very much.